Hello jelly babes, welcome back to my channel. So today I am done a design that's inspired of this wallpaper that is in my nail room because it is so pretty. I love the fact that you've got all the like bursts of colour and the glitter on the leaves, and I've wanted to do a design based on this wallpaper ever since I had my room, and it's took me this long to get round to doing it, but it's here and hopefully you enjoy it. So I'm using one of Moyou's stamping plates for building up this sort of leaves look in the mani. So I'm starting off with grey polishes here, and then I'm getting a silver one. So I did kind of like ad lib with this as to where I was going to place it. I kind of like made it up as I went along kind of thing. Because when you look at it, there's quite a lot that you could have brought out. I know I definitely wanted to bring out the birds because they were pretty, but I did want to get like the different shapes of the leaves in it also. So I switched up now to a Uberchic plate. So this is Lovely Leaves. So I've got this section here. So I actually did that twice and filled it in, so it was more of a block leaf. But I did that off camera. Then I took this image here, and again I'm just placing them on the nail and kind of like trying to work out which like leaves to use and when to use a darker colour and things like that. So I'll kind of place that overlapping it because the bird is going to go over the top of this leaf section. So that's kind of how like all my bases look, and like I say, I do go and colour in those grey leaves. So now I'm using a Moyra and it's their vintage plate. Now I know that these are poodles, but I have actually used these before and I'm using it again to kind of build up a flower look. Obviously not a very detailed flower, but you know, like a bit of a, is abstract the right word? And basically I'll take different colours and overlap it like I am showing you now. And even though they are poodles, it does work, like it all comes together in the end. So that's another way you can use this image. So hopefully you can see now what I'm trying to do. I'm just going to go in with a bit more of a darker colour. So there you go. So you're kind of filling in the white background, and like I say, it does have this like little burst and pop of colour. And then you can come in with a dotting tool and add some more dots in if you wanted it more detailed, I suppose. So I took both of these birds, but it's on a separate stamper. And then I took a black polish and actually filled in the branches, because the branches on my wallpaper are filled in with black. Now, because this bird in particular is going to go over that pop of the orange and blues, I did want to have like a bright colour to fill the bird in. So I've actually got my Twinkled No Filter stamping polish, which I'm filling the sort of underside of the bird in. And then this is a Born Pretty stamping polish. I actually think it's from the Thermal range, not that I'm using it because I want it to change colour. I just wanted that bright blue. And I just thought those two colours went really lovely together. So you just want to leave that to dry now. And I will be doing some dry stamping later on. So there you go. So now I am going to be taking various butterflies off of this Beautybigbang plate. So I'm going to get rid of all the excess. And then I'm going to fill them in like I'm doing so. Again, I wanted nice bright colours. So this is how they look when it's all completed. And a good tip if you want to do dry stamping is to have like a foil glue, apply it over the nail like I am doing now. So it has put a blue sheen on it, but it goes completely clear and shiny once it's dry. So hopefully you can see there I added some hollow polish as well on the leaves just to make it extra sparkly like my leaves are. So this has got foil glue on it, and then I am just going to take the stamper and kind of position this where I want it. and place it on the nail like so, and it just really helps it stick to the nail, and then you don't have any horrible edges of an outline of a decal. It just sticks on it as is. And this is the other bird. I'm just going to place this at the top. So I filled some bits in, like I say, with the holographic polish, which you can maybe see on the bottom of this. Just double checking that was completely dry. And then obviously the last step now is just to finish off and apply the butterflies, which you can see there. So I really hope that you like this design. If you want to recreate it, I'd love to see your recreations. You can tag me in on Instagram and Twitter at Gelulicious. But yeah, I'm glad I finally got round to it, because I do love the wallpaper that I've got. It's just really, really pretty, and I just thought it's a perfect inspiration for a mani also. So this is the design after it is all done. I would love to know what you guys think about it, so you can leave the comment in the comments box below. Thank you for watching. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one, Jelly Babes. Bye.